So we're often asked how to install our wastewater tanks. Basically, we dig a hole for the tank to go in. We have a 100 ml gravel base. The tank is then surrounded in gravel, no concrete is required. Gravel up to the main body of the tank, and then we use soil to build us up to ground level. So for our wastewater systems to work, we require a control cabinet and a compressor. These can be housed in our green external cabinet. This can be situated away from the tank but must be within 20 metres. It's partially installed in the ground and just backfilled with gravel, having an air hose duct from here to the tank. And then inside the cabinet we've got our control panel and our compressor, easy to access and maintain. In order for the controller to work, we just need an electricity supply into the external cabinet.